C40, and if you ride in groups or even solo with music, this might just be one of the smartest helmet gadgets you can get right now. Today we are unboxing it, checking everything inside and seeing if it actually lives up to the hype. Okay, nice packaging. We can see all the features behind the box. Let's open this up. First thing on top, we have the main unit, which is called intercom. This is a C40 module itself. Looks compact, not too bulky, which is good because you don't want a brick sitting on your helmet. Seriously, I did not expect that this device will be this cute and small. Let's see what else we get in the box. We got the mounting system here. Bluarmor calls this as a ClickDock. This is what attached to your helmet. Then we have the speakers. These go inside your helmet near your ears. We also got two types of microphones. One is a boom mic for open face and the other is button mic for full face helmets. Nice that they include both. Charging cable, of course, Type-C, which is expected, and some velcro pads and mounts to help the installation. So yeah, pretty complete package. You don't need to buy anything extra to get started.